One of the things that you can actually go ahead and do is add in watermark to the video as well. So to do that, you can go ahead and click on the plus button, and then what you can do is add in, let's say for example, a video right here. So now in order to add in a watermark, that is a logo to it or an image to it, then you can click on the encoding title right here, and then the exporting settings opens up, and then what you can do is you can actually go around over here onto the effects tab right here. So once you go to the effects tab, you can actually go ahead and scroll down, and here you can see that image overlay is an option. So right now no image is applied, none is selected, so you need to click on choose. Once you do that, you can actually go around over here, navigate to the folder where you have your image. For example, I have this transparent PNG image that I'm going to go ahead and open, and you can see that it says YouTube. You can go ahead and add a non-transparent image as well. So you can see that you can change around the size right here, just like this. You can change around the opacity right here as well, and even add in absolute sizing right here, just like this, and change the offset right here as you want as well. You can click and drag this out, or simply type in the value right here, press enter to go ahead and change the location out right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. So you got the image overlay right here, and you can see a preview of it right here. Press OK, and then what you can simply do now is, let's say for example, select where you want to export it. So I'm just going to go ahead and export this out. Press the start queue button right here, and then what happens is that an overlay is added onto the video. So now this is the video, as you can see, and if I were to open it up, you can see the YouTube logo right here as a watermark added to this video. So that is how you can watermark a video directly by using Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.